waxing therapy. Then this is the manual. This is how it works. Accessories list, user manual, one, there's a remote. This is how you set it, and everything. Yes, wow. Remote control usage, you can see what it does: one speed, aromatherapy, water dropping, timer, disinfect, head wing, display, and everything. So this is it. This is the remote, the controller. Happen to see there. Now this is where you put the water, the drops of water. Then this is the machine. This is how it works. Put in some water, and the water goes up, and then it is dropped here. Yes. Okay, let us put it into the electricity and we see how it works. So we are in. This is the display. Choose on and off. Then let us touch and see. That is the display. That is putting on, off, on. See everything. And then yes, everything is on. Let us put it on and see. Yes, now it's running. It's working very cool, very fast. Then we put on the disinfect and we see that is the disinfect. That is how it does. See that water is moving up and down very smoothly. See, water in it. Please fill up with water before use. That is how it works. Yes, and puts on every light. That's how it looks. Wow. So check up on this channel. We give you all the best.